Hi everyone. Now let's talk about hexadecimal form. So we have seen so far binary form, decimal form and octal form. Now we are going to discuss about hexadecimal form. So the name represents itself hexa. That means the base value for hexadecimal value is 16. Okay, base value is 16. How we can say base value will be? So that means it will accept digits, okay, digits from then 0 to 9, okay. Then here it will accept letters also, it will accept alphabets, so alphabets from small a to capital, small a to small f, or you can say capital A to capital F. So these values are total 6 values here, okay. And then above digits we have 10 values, okay. Total it will be 16 values in hexadecimal form. That's why we can call it as base value will be 16. So we can use prefix for hexadecimal form. Decimal form is 0 small x, or you can say 0 capital X in front of the value, okay, in front of the value. Wherever you get this data with 0 small x or 0 capital X in front of the value, either it's an Excel or text file, wherever you can find, then that is called hexadecimal data, okay. So now let's see what we need to discuss here. A equal to 0 small x. I'm just taking FACE phase. Now you can execute print of here. So even if you execute 0 small x and then 0 capital X, okay. Now even if you take 0 small x with small letters, okay, FACE, the same value. Even you can take it with capital letters, okay. So whatever, you can use any type of thing here, then the same value will come for hexadecimal value. So now how this value will be is coming, just understand here. Just what you need to understand means, then we are discussing about here hexadecimal form, okay. Then hexadecimal form, and here base value is 16. So then now what we need to understand here, just understand the pattern of this, okay. So how this value is coming, okay. Face is the value for us, okay. Then try to take this example, just observe very carefully. Then 1, then 2, then 3, because we have 4 values f a c e here. Now understand here, I'm just taking f, then A, then C, then E here. So last time we have seen only numbers for multiplications, right? Now similar approach you can take it here. This will be 0, then this will be 1, and then this will be 2, and then this will be 3. That's fine. But how come this FAC can calculate means, you need to understand first of all. So it will be, just understand here, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the values which we have, or you can say directly you can go in another approach, or you can go like this, another problem. These are the values which we have received, Okay, so that means better you can go another approach here. So let's see here. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these are the integer values, right? Now what we need to do, we are accessing letters also, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, up to F. Now you can consider here from A, it is accepting like 10 value, okay? 10, you can understand here 10. A means it's a 10 value now. 10 and 11, and then 12, then 13, then 14, then 15. So that means A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, and D is 13, and E is 14, and F is 15. So that means we are accessing elements like this in a hexadecimal form. Now understand here, you need to be very careful about this analysis. Okay, it's very important for us to do the calculations. Now understand what we have received here. So we have 16 is the base value. 0 to F, if you take total 15 values including 0, it will be adding 1, that will be 16. Now calculate the value. Base value will be, you can calculate here E value. E means it will be 14 now. So you can do the calculations in a different way, like, so first you can calculate 14 into then 16. Then 16 in the sense the base value will be 16, then 16 power 0. Then calculate like this. C value. What is the C? 12. Okay. 12 into base value will be 16, then 16 power 1. Then this will be adding sum. Then A means it will be 10. Okay. 10 into 16, then you can say 16 square. Okay, now f means it's a 15. 15 into base value 16, then the index number here, array number here 3, so it will be the sum. So if you calculate properly, then you can get perfect value. So you can get like this, 15 into 16 cube, you can say 4096 value. Then you can observe, then 10 into 16 square, that will be 256. Okay, then 12 into 16, 16 power 1, always it will be 16. Then you can calculate like 14 into 16 power 0, that will be 1. So you can calculate, if you multiply 15 into 4096, then you can get value like 61 and 4440. So then plus 2560 plus you can take it like 192, 12 into 16, that will be then 14. If you calculate total value, then we can get 64206. This is the value that we are getting from hexadecimal value. It's very important explanation. So if you are not able to get it, please listen 2 to 3 times, then get it done. So otherwise it will be a confusion part. So this is all about hexadecimal form. But when you are using FAC, right, you can use M. That means it is giving black color here. That means an interpreter will saying that something error is here. So when you say see, that is green color is giving. That's why the Python notebook is very it will act as a enthusiastic way to learn new Python programming skills. That means each and every line interpreter will give whether it is correct or not in a warning message. You can able to understand directly. Okay, not like after writing the program. So FACE phase. Now I'm just taking FAME, then execute here. So M is not accepted inside the letter because it is accepting only A to F, A to F only. So when you are giving M, that's why it is throwing error. So always you should maintain within the accessibility numbers. That means either 0 to 9 or A to F. You can say like this you can take it, not a problem. Okay, A B C D like this. So you can able to print, this is a big value, you can, so that just understand the format how to calculate, that is more enough. So this is all about hexadecimal form. So we integer, we have decimal form, binary form, and then octal form and hexadecimal form. So these forms are very important for advanced classes. Okay. So please practice carefully by taking 3 to 4 examples, then you will get clear picture on this. Okay. So thank you very much. See you in the next class.